What's up, guys? We can continue our project now in the part 4. Today we are going to release the part 4. Let's launch the project as always, and we can see now what we are going to do. Permanent dev. Okay, we can clear this. Good. Now we run the development server. It will compile. It's ready and compiled. Great. Let's wait until it's render. Compile it and render it. What's happening? Everything is cool. What's going on here? Okay, users.find1. This is an error. Let's fix this. Okay, if you face it something like this, it means that buffering timed out 100 milliseconds. So there is a database connection error. Let's find the find one. This Control Shift F, where we put the find one. Find one. There is no find one. Okay, I think it's in the user. Huh? Action user. Control F. Find one. Okay. User.find one. And find one. There is DB connect here. And there is DB connect here. Okay, let's launch MongoDB. Maybe it's MongoDB server. Let's launch Compass. Great. Let's go also to the auth.ts. We try to find one. There is no find one here. Get authenticated user. Find by ID this. Huh? I got the problem. So here we need to wait DB connect, because we are doing DB operation. MongoDB is not connected at this level. As always, we told if already connected, it's gonna use the cached connection and go to other lines, next lines, these lines. If we are not connected, it's gonna connect from scratch. Then it will handle all these lines. So now it's working as expected. Now, YouTube Studio, let's create this studio page. Okay. In the app, we create a page, studio page.tsx. Let's change this, sorry, .tsx. Okay. Now, we can minimize the terminal. And export default asynchronous function. It's gonna be studio page. Okay. First of all, we need to return studio page like this. Now we can go to this component, which is in the header. I think it's site header, not site header. We can go to the site header and we will find it. Popover, this popover. So studio button. handle studio, const handle studio, router.push to studio page. And here in the button, YouTube Studio, on click handle studio. That's easy. We click YouTube Studio and we are in the studio page now. Of course, I'm not use router.push. Let's use router.replace. Replace. Great, great. It's working perfect. Now, let's go to this page. Studio. Auth user. If there is no auth user, we redirect to the login page. From next navigation. Good. Now we have authenticated user. Now const. We are gonna create a component. Create channel section. Basically, here we are going to check if we have a channel. We are going to render the YouTube Studio page. If we have not already a channel, we are not going to render this. We are going to render the create channel section. So it will be like this: return create a channel. Let's check if the user has a channel or not. Const channel. Wait to get a channel. By the way, let's wait for this. Not now. We are going to directly render this. Later we will fix that. Let's create a channel now. No suspense, nothing. Create channel section. Okay. This will have a class name, width full, height minimum height dash screen. Okay, or height can be full. Let's try 0. Great. Now that's great. Okay, let's render it here. It can be p dash 8, a padding 8. Okay, let's render a card now. Card header. Card header. Why the card header is like this? Why the card header is like this? Yes, card header. Start by creating your channel. Start by creating your channel. Great, yes, yes. Here we need inside the card header card action. Okay, this is a button. This is a button which will has a variant outlined. Okay, let's make it edit variant outline, and it's gonna be edit. Sorry for this. Edit. Okay, let's go to Lucid React. Lucid React. It's gonna be easy, yeah. It started to be easy like this. Edit. Follow with me and you are gonna see how to make more complex logics. We are going now to make complex logic. Edit. We can choose this pencil. or it can be this or this. I prefer this pencil. Copy component name. It's copied. We are going to render this. Great. And I'm gonna call class name size 4. Very good. Yes. Yes, great. Const is editable. Set is editable false. Use state. Okay. Now we can close the card header and go to the card content. Okay. Inside the card content, we can render field group. We can render field, sorry, field label, and an input. First thing. Wow, what is this? Use state. Use state. It should be used in client components. Use client. Okay. Now, what is this? What's happening here? Client components you cannot use async function. So we can do this plus client.tsx. Easy. We need to make just this create section channel. Studio page client. Okay, we are not going to await. Control A, Control X. We go to the client. We save. Now export default function studio page client, like this. And here we can authenticate the user. Async function. Basically, I kept this page server side and created a client component. This client component will render this, because here we need to use state, and we need to use functions that manipulated by the user. We are going to click on button. We are going to write inside inputs, and all these functionalities need user interaction. So it's a client component. Any component needs user interaction. It's a client component rendered on the client side. Redirect from next navigation. Now it's all set. So this page is ready here. We can go back. So channel name, YouTube channel, what needs? It needs a name and it needs an avatar image. I think. So name, avatar image, and what what it needs also let's keep a name and avatar image, then we can add more. So we can add another field here, field label, Control B, avatar. Let's comment this, or let's uncomment it. So for the avatar, we need to render a file import and upload this, but by default disabled if not is editing. It's disabled, handle edit set is editing, on click handle, so it's not great. Channel name and avatar, we need to create an image upload component. We need to create an image upload component. So chat cn image uploader, let's see this. Okay, file upload, chat cn latest file upload. Let's see this. It's so good, it's so good. There is another example, upload avatar. I think I'm gonna choose this. I'm gonna choose this. We can make new. Okay. npm. Oh, I don't have npm. Let's go with yar or npm. So components, use file upload, upload avatar. So basically I can copy directly this component. I can copy directly this. So it will be avatar upload, components, avatar dash upload dot tsx. We paste. We need to fix some errors here. Control C. I need to close this terminal, run a new terminal. Okay, we don't here have this npm install, and we install this. No hooks, hooks are missing. Let's try to install this. I don't know from where I'm gonna get. This is actually a folder. This is a folder installed from them. Code hooks. From where I'm gonna to get these hooks? Ay. Don't worry. Like this, you can learn with me how to debug. I'm not gonna pause the video. I'm gonna show you the problems that I face while coding a new functionality or a new web page, so you can better understand how to debug, how to other components, how to add new components, how to fix some issues. Okay, we got it. I don't need anything. Where is the files? There is no files here. Okay, here we go. So we have a file upload, and we have our hooks. We got our hooks. Control C. Let's see here if we have hooks or not. So use file, control A. Use, there is no. So we can create a folder, hooks, use dash file dash upload dot ts. We paste this. I don't know why there is a big red compilation skip. Resisting manual memorization. .ts and its client. Export. Wow. Rename ts6. Rename. Yes. There is a problem in the file upload. Components. We need to add hooks. So there is hooks now. Let's fix this with the cursor and see the problem. Let's fix it. It just added one line. It just added one on error. So it's fixed now. We need just to rename the file. Use file upload. The component on their website, it has a TypeScript error. It needs to add on error property because they defined in the types on error function. I added it and it worked. Later I will give you the GitHub repository and you can copy or clone the full project. You can learn better. We don't need to write all of these functions. It can be used from their repository. Here you can choose any style you want and you can create with it. Installation. Let's see this code. I want this code. Same file upload. Same file upload. Let's go to the utils. Same utils. Alert. As I have alert button, I have avatar upload. No. File upload, avatar upload. Avatar upload, Control A, Control V. What's going on with this avatar upload? Okay. We need to fix some errors. What's going on here? delete. Let's add the alert from chat.cn. Chat.cn alert. How to install the alert? We copy the code. Oh, the alert is installed. And the file upload. We need to call it from the hook. Use file upload. And we got what we got here. Let's keep the image from no problem. Format bytes. Don't need appearance. It's appearance. Alert triangle. See the react. That's all I think. We have a small now we can use the next image here. Image from next image, and we are ready to call this component avatar upload. We are going to call this component inside the studio client field. It's not gonna be a field, it's gonna be Control V. Okay, and we got our avatar. This is great, huh? This is great. So this is what we what it return. Avatar oops. Remove file, accept images, and remove, review. This need to return as the blob of the image. Control P. Let's go to this client and on change file. It will return as a file. It's a callback file function that return as a file or null. Okay. So we need to handle image change like this. Great, very good. We need to make it const handle image change. Of course, in this example, we learned how to search also for client components or for any function in the internet and use it. There is no problem. Okay, now we call this function and now we have the file. Let's make console log this file to see what we have. Here. So this component is a client component. This is a client component. So you will see the logs on the client side logs on Google Chrome or whenever, whatever any web browser. If the component is server side, you will see the logs on the application terminal. Okay. Console file null. Now we got this file. Great. Now we need to create an upload function, and to return the images. Okay. handle image change if there is no file return. Now we are going to upload const handle upload image. We need to upload the image. Where we are going to save it? We are going to save it inside images folder here. You can create images. Later it will be changed. On deployment it will be saved into a volume. Step by step you will understand how it works in development, how it works in production. Just for now we can create an images directory, and let's form data. Let's create a form data. Form data file.file. Why? Form data dot okay, let's see how to append the file to form data. Let's choose ChatGPT. How to append a file into form data. So basically it's clear, basically it's correct, but optionally add more data. But why the file is like this? ID and the view. Okay, copy object. Let's see what's my program. File object.file.name. So it will be file object, and I will append like this. Create argument type file, or file is not assignable, type a blob. Let's fix in cursor. Basically it's TypeScript error, because I'm not the owner of this function. Use file upload instance of file return. So this is like a simple check was TypeScript error is fixed. Very good. So if there is no file object file and it's not an instance of file, we are going to return. So there is no metadata. Okay, great. We are going to actions. Const, not const, image or avatar, okay, .ts, use server, export asynchronous function, upload avatar, it will get form data, and it will return a promise of success of API response, API response, and it will return as a boolean. No problem, we can continue like this. We have a try catch block, and it will return as what? basically we can go back here. Form data.append, const response, upload avatar, toast.error, and toast.success response.message. So on change, handle image change of file. Now we need to upload the image. Const image as file. Image is required. Error response. Now we need to save the image inside this folder and create an API route to fetch this image. Okay, by its name. Let's continue. As we said, we will save the images inside images folder. Where is the images folder? I don't see. Oh, this is the folder. So basically, we get the image from as file from the form data. If there is no image, we return it's required. And the image directory is a path.join, path from the Node.js path module. It comes by default with Node.js. .join. I'm gonna join what? Like I'm gonna create a directory. This directory is the process.current working directory, CWD. Like where my project is listed. This is my project. So this is my current project directory. This, the YouTube folder. And I'm gonna join it with images because under YouTube we have images folder directory. And I'm gonna make this directory recursive true. What recursive true indicates whether parent folders should be created. So if the images not exist, it will create it. Timestamp, I'm gonna get the current date. I'm gonna generate a random string, like in order to ensure that images have not the same name. For example, if I upload an image with the name image1, then I upload another image with the same name, it will not be confused and overwrite the other image. On each upload, it will generate a unique string, and we were going to use it in the file name. I fetched the file extension path.extension name image.name. So the extension name is the in the end .gpg, .png, etc. The file name will be like this. The file name will be the base image name with the random string we created plus the file extension. And this is the file path. Image directory file name. We get the bytes of the image, we generate the buffer, and we write the file in the path, in the current path, file path, with that buffer we generated. So the buffer will be generated from bytes. Okay, that's all. Avatar uploaded successfully. Now let's test. By the way, in client side, what we have, in client side, it returned the image. I think we created this together. It returns now the image URL from here, image URL. It will be returned, and we are going to show it. So here, we are going to make CLG image URL. That's all. We can do like this. We can go to the console, we can clear, we choose, This is the image URL, the last one. Of course, this is a React problem because it's rendering 2 times. So we are in the development mode, it will render 2 times. But later we can fix it. In production, it will disappear, this error. So the image is uploaded. Now let's see if this image is accessible. No way. Copy. This is not accessible. So we can create a root here. /images, and we can create a root. We will create a root to return this image. Root images, okay. Root.ts. It's not gonna be like this. It will be a dynamic root. Let's learn now dynamic roots. Images we can create inside images. Slug. Slug. And inside this slug, we are going to create a root. .ts. Great. Basically, I made a simple mistake. Each folder and each root should be inside the app directory. So inside the app directory, we create images folder and slug. This slug is dynamic. Why it's inside curly braces? Because it's dynamic, it's changing. For example, for this image, it will be like this. For another image, it will be like this. For another image, it will be like this. This is dynamic, changing each time. So here we can delete this. And I'm gonna explain the code. So it's a get function that will get next requests from Next.js, next server. The params are string. So here we get the slug. So basically it can be a promise. Promise that returns slug. Await params like this. So why it's not working? The image directory, it will be process.current working directory /images because images are saved here. The file path.join image directory with the slug that we pass it in the URL. This is the slug. So we get the file buffer and we match the images. Image should be SVG, WebP, GIF, PNG, GPG. Like this extension images extensions. And we return the file buffer. Content type. Okay guys, now we got the image. That's all. Now we are returning the images. We can upload another image now and see. WordPress or pictures. We don't have any other picture. Yeah, let's see this. Okay, image uploaded. Now we can get this image name, rename, Ctrl+C, and /images/ we got the image. Okay, very good. Now let's go back guys and enhance this page rendering and save our channel. Then we will learn together how to fetch from DB and dynamic render. It started to be amazing, the application. Client, yes, client, okay. don't need image URL for now. Let's fix this rendering. Field group, class name, flex, items.center. I want items.start, justify.start. Yes, I like this. I like this. So this field label or the import, we can add the maximum width for import. Maximum dash width dash like 250 pixels, pixels, because it's too big. We close this, and the card content, we can add the class name here, max width, and it's not gonna be, it's gonna be for extra large, for extra large. There is the width full here, I think. Card content. Let's remove this. Great, it's great. Now let's remove this. So basically everything is all right. Edit. Now I prefer to make this disabled. Let's edit this file props. Disabled. So disabled by default, it's false. We are going to edit. Let's make it required. Disabled boolean. So if disabled, let's make this div. We should see an input here. We should see an input, yes, this input. Disabled if disabled. Let's, okay, it's disabled, I click. Great, when I click edit, it will be enabled now. Okay, now let's get how to set the image. So basically here we get set image. There's no problem with the image. Set image URL. Now we need to add another setter for const channel name. State of string. It's a string. Should be string. Input channel name. Okay, we got now the channel name. Card footer now. We need to add a card footer, and inside this card footer we have a save, handle save. const handle save. It's an asynchronous function. It's gonna be try catch. Wow. Try catch. Okay. If there is no channel name is required. If there is no image URL, image is required. Channel name and image URL are states. As I said, we upload the image, then the function that we created to upload the image, it returns as the image URL, and we set the image URL in this state. Okay, because we are going now to save this image URL and this channel name inside a database, and this user will have a channel. It started to be clear, huh? Okay, let's make it more. Let's go now here, actions plus channel.js, use server. In next projects we will go to create too much difficult projects like this. I think this project it's not pretty difficult. We will learn many things, but I promise in next projects we will move into something more special. Export asynchronous function, create a channel. Okay, this create a channel will take basically the channel name as a string and the image URL as a string. We can pass also the user. I have an idea. Or we can use it like this. Okay, we can pass the user ID from here, user ID string. It's a promise that will return an API response, and this API response will return the type channel response. Channel ID can be channel ID, it can be channel name, like this. Basically, it's like this. Channel response or null. Okay, I'm gonna make try catch block. Wait, db connect. Of course, we need to connect to the database. Okay, let's create the model now. We need the model for the channel dot ts. Type or interface extends document. This document from Mongoose has a name, image URL, and string. Its types dot object ID. Okay, this is the user ID, image URL, user ID. Const channel schema, new schema. Okay, it's a new schema, and schema from Mongoose. Okay, to use this in population, we are going to populate required true, all required. This user ID type is an object ID from Mongo, and the reference is user. Be careful. This user should be exactly the same model name created here. User. This is the model name user. It should be exactly the same. Otherwise, it will be a problem. It will not work. It's not a problem, but it will not work. So this is a model, and we need to call mongoose from here. Mongoose. Okay, the channel is created. We go back here. Const new channel, new channel. What's going on here? The name is channel name. The image URL is the user ID. What's going on? The constructor is private. Channel. Oh, this is wrong. The channel from, it's not exported. It's not exported. Export default channel. Control P, go back. Okay. Very good. New types. We should convert this to an object ID. Yeah? User ID as a string. New channel.save. If it's not saved, we are going to return an error response. Channel to return. Okay. Channel ID, user ID, return success response. Okay. Like this, we created the channel function. Control P. Let's go back into here. User ID. From where we need to get the user ID? From here, we should pass the user ID. Auth user dot ID. The auth user. What have auth user? Let's go to auth user. It will return of type auth user. It has ID, no problem. So it should works. Let's go back and add the props here. So basically it's gonna be take user ID as a string or undefined. That's your problem. User ID. What we did, I did a simple mistake here. Huh? So it's not a mistake, but create a channel. User ID, like this. User ID string, it should be string, yeah? Because if it's undefined, we are not rendering the page at all. Create a channel. Response.message. Toast.success. Something went wrong. So what's going on here? The save icon or save from Lucid React. Disabled if it's editable. So basically here, let's make this button full width. W dash class name. Where is the class name? Sorry for this. Class name with that full. Great. So my channel name. I need to check if the channel name exists or no. Let's first of all let's save the channel. Then we will see how to fix it. Huh? My channel name can be MM. My avatar, it can be this. Then I can click save. Channel created successfully. we can go to the MongoDB, we refresh the database, and we got channels. Inside the channel, I got my name, I got my channel name, I got the image URL, I got my user ID, and I got my channel ID. This is very good. Now, in the server side page, let's go back. Sorry for that, guys. Let's go to the channel action, export, default, function, get channel, or get my channel, or get channel directly. Why my channel? Oh, and your channel. It's a channel, just a channel. Channel response, it will return like this: ID, name, image URL, and user ID. It can be. It's a try catch block. Await DB connect, like always. Const channel. Await channel find one by user ID. Yeah? The user ID can be directly passed like this. User ID. If there is no channel, and if there is a channel, return. And it's gonna return only one channel, not an array of channels. Only one channel. API response. Error response. No channel found. Export default. Asynchronous. Everything is gonna be alright now. Now what we need to do inside the studio page, here, const channel. Of course, we don't need this. Channel response, sorry. Const channel. Let's go inside this and we can export this. So this is the type we are going to get. Export. Control P. Channel response, we call it. Don't worry, guys, about this. You will be like a red coder, if you keep working with me, if you keep watching the videos, you will learn everything. So basically, it's here, the channel response. Why it's not working? Yes, channel response. And create a channel section. I'm gonna pass this channel. Okay. So the channel name, it's gonna be, if the passed channel has a name, it will take it, or empty string. If the passed channel has an image, it's gonna take it, or it's gonna be an empty string. Now it needs rendering here. It need to be fixed. The image URL need to be fixed. So how to fix it? Because okay, let's make this image URL not. What's going on? CLG channel name. There is no channel name. Ah, this is not saved here. Points. Wow, there is no channel name. Okay, no problem. On the server side, we console log the channel, and what we have a channel. So we pass it to the client component and studio channel. We got the channel. Then we pass it the channel into create channel section here. Channel. We have channel. CLG channel name. Channel name is empty. So basically it needs a use effect. We can use effect. If channel set channel name, set only, wow, I'm gonna set only the name. Quick fix. See. So guys, you can see the channel name is MM. It's MM. And let's make the channel avatar works. How to make the channel avatar works? Just 1 second. I think we need to set the image next line, and here the initial state will be okay. Then save this. Let's go down to the channel avatar. I think it has default avatar image or undefined, and it will load initial values from database like this. We click edit. We can change. It can be changed. Make channel created successful. Okay, it should not create a channel. It should update my channel. Not create always a new channel, because when I keep writing, clicking, it will always create a new channel. Now we need to find our channel and update it. If not, absurd. Okay. So let's go to the channel, create a channel. Const updated channel. Wait. Find one and update. User ID, name, new true, absurd true. That's all. Come on, delete it. Come on, delete it. Save it. Channel. That's all, guys. I will delete all this. Delete, delete. Let's go back, reload the page, nothing here. I click edit. My channel name will be like this. My channel avatar, I save. It's already saved. Now it should update my channel. It should not create a new channel. MMG, save, find, and it's MMG, guys. It's not creating a new channel. So everything is fine. Let's make another great functionality together now. I think everyone knows that when you type on YouTube, it will tell you that if this channel or this username exists or already taken, something like this. Okay, let's make this happen. We can make this happen. It's easy. We can go to the channel, export, const, check channel exists. It's gonna return a boolean or null. Boolean or null, or it can be return a boolean directly. Name, it's a string. I'm gonna make try catch a block. Wait, db connect channel find one. If there is no channel not found, true. If there is no channel, it will return success response false. Catch of error. Okay. So basically we are going to check if the channel exists by its name. If exists, we are gonna tell this channel name is already taken. If not, we are going to allow. Let's go to the client side. Yes. Check channel exists. Okay. Check channel exists. It's an asynchronous function. It's a try catch block. Const response. Check the channel exists. Wow. Channel check channel. I don't know why it's not called. I can't call it. Check channel. Okay. Success. Channel name already exists. Const state of boolean or null. By default it's gonna be null. A channel name valid. Let's go here. Const valid status. It's gonna be response. What's gonna return this response dot data. It's gonna be return true or false. So it's gonna take this. So if it's true, we're gonna return true. Else false. Set channel valid. Not gonna return any valid status. I'm gonna pass the channel name. Now we need to create a loose effect. If channel name, check channel name. What's going on? That's all. Of course, on the channel name change. Now we need to add a caption here, or a description, or okay, here what we have, channel name mmg, edit, channel name already exists. Okay, why it's not re-rendering? Why it's not re-rendering? We need to debug. CLG channel name valid. It's false. It's always rendering false. Why always it's rendering false? We need to debug. Okay. Here, the solution is to check if the response data equals to true. We set the validation to false. That's all. Instead of using double question mark. So we can edit. It's valid. And it's valid. Save. Go here. Everything is all right. That's good, guys. Now what we need to do, we can proceed with a model now, or create. Okay, we can proceed with the video model because we need to prepare the video model. Let's go to the models, video dot ts. Now, interface video extends document. The document from Mongoose. So the video has, I'm gonna make it the top minimal thing. A video has a title, and has a description, and has a thumbnail URL, and has a video URL, and has a channel ID. The video also has what? Has, I think, likes. Okay. It's an array types dot object ID. It has also dislikes. It has views. It has commands. But commands, let's fix this. Commands. Each command. Command. Yes, it can be. But the command, it can be a command on video and a reply. So it can be like this. Yes, it can be like this. Array of commands, no problem. So title, description, thumbnail, video URL, channel ID, likes, dislikes, view, and comments. That's all for the video. I think we need this channel ID. Yes, the video is by channel. We can add also the user ID if we want. We can, but it's not necessary because the user is the person who created the channel. But we can add it. We can. That's all. Conf video schema. All is required. All is required. I'm gonna make all is required. Thumbnail, okay. Video URL, channel ID, okay. User ID, likes, default, number. The views is a number and default 0 view by default. Command, timestamps, videos, model from Mongoose, and we need to call Mongoose. Sorry for this. Control C. That's all. Now let's go back to the YouTube studio. Let's go back to the YouTube studio page. Studio client, yes, great. So basically this is the studio page. Create channel section. Const studio section. Why this is like this? The user ID. I will pass the user ID and the channel. I'm gonna return studio. So basically here, if we have a channel studio section, else we create a channel, we render the create channel. Expected assignment. Quick fix. User ID, what's the problem here? Let's delete this. So it can be like this. Now, because we have a channel, it will be rendered like this. Let's try to delete our channel from the database. Delete, and it should, when reload page, renders the create channel page. Okay, it will render create channel. Our channel name is MM. This is my avatar, save. Of course, after the channel save it, let's make something cool. Channel saved successfully. Success. Yes, this. Toast.success. Root can be window. Location would reload. Huh? Let's edit and make it mmg. Save channel. It will reload the page and it will redirect us to the studio page again. Great. Now in the studio, we need to list our videos and we need to upload a new video. Okay. Let's make a tabs. We can use a tabs. Tabs like this. It's awesome. So npx shadcn latest add tabs. We need to add these tabs. Let's copy exactly this. Let's go back. Copy. Okay, because this was called. Let me call the tabs. Copy. Let me call the tabs. Okay, now let's render the tabs here. Of course. Okay, let's get the full div. And let me check the CPU. Everything is okay. Here in this new card, it can be YouTube Studio. Okay. Now we have card content and Control V. Description. Great. Perfect. It's perfect. Now let's change the tabs. First tab, Control Shift D, format document. We can be formatted. Control B. Okay. Here, tab list. First, videos. Create video. Create a new video, no problem. So it can be videos. Here, I'm gonna list all my videos in this tab. So this card, it's gonna be your videos. Okay, here we need in the tabs, default is gonna be video. Manage your videos here. Later we will render this, but max width dash full and the tab list here. I need to add width here. No problem. Create a new video. Where is the tab? Second tab. Create a new video. Create a new video. Okay, let's upload the video. And let's get let's get the initial state. Card content. Label. The video has a title. Input. Title. Title, description, thumbnail, video URL. This is all we need. This is all we need, I think. Title, value, and change. We don't need Control C. Description, and don't change description. As we said, title, description, thumbnail URL, video URL. That's all. Channel ID and user ID are internal data. These are gonna initialize it to 0 and empty arrays on upload. Later, when people start watching it and making comments, it will increase. Thumbnail URL, video URL. That's all. Okay. Thumbnail. For thumbnail, we are going to use the same avatar. And for video, we are gonna to upload. Okay, let's fix thumbnail URL and we continue in the next video. Let's fix only thumbnail URL. For thumbnail URL, I think we have avatar upload. Cost is uploading. Also is uploading. It's uploading thumbnail. It's uploading it's uploading what we need. Where is the thumbnail? We are going to change this disable. Disabling if is uploading and the thumbnail change. Thumbnail URL, and I'm gonna copy the same until thumbnail change. And the image change. Can use the same upload image also. So here and the thumbnail change. So thumbnail URL. It's not looking the same, but not upload image. The image change of the file. The image change. Set. File. thumbnail URL. So this section, thumbnail URL, I'm gonna make it like this: g dash muted. I'm gonna add p dash 2. P dash 4. Yes, good. Border. Wow. Dash it. Not put it for the ground. And it's not gonna be round. $50. I think it's pretty good, guys. Upload, it's not upload avatar. Custom custom name. It's gonna be thumbnail like this, and we can go to the upload avatar. Custom name. Custom name. We can search for this. Control F, Control V. Upload avatar. Avatar upload or upload avatar. Avatar uploaded. Or custom name. This is bad. This is bad. See? So basically this is gonna be a variable. So it will be like this. And I'm gonna make Control V. Then I'm gonna delete this. Then I'm gonna delete this. Then I'm gonna make a variable custom name like this, guys. So why it's not saved? Upload avatar. It still is upload avatar. Should go. This client is not saved. When we save, it will be upload thumbnail. Great, very good. So we can type title, add description, add a thumbnail to our video, and we need now to upload the video. Let's see if we can video upload with this, the one we found. chat.cny video. Okay, file upload. Okay, it's file. It's a file upload. Live demo. I don't know why it's too slow, but no problem. Drop zone. We got a drop zone here. Yes. Let's try to choose a video. All files. Let's try this. So I think it's time to stop now and we'll continue tomorrow. Today to make a recap, what we created. We modified the site header and we created the YouTube Studio page. We created image upload functionality. We created channel. We created video. We created avatars and channels functions. We updated the some components inside headers, and it's okay. Tomorrow we upload video and we start rendering the videos in the home page, and we add the comments and likes and dislikes and subscriptions functionalities. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow.